Hi guys, how you doing? This is Sebastian from Tech Century, and today we're getting back to basics. A simple unboxing and first impressions video of a product that I'm very excited about. This is the Rode Wireless Go, as well as the SC15 and SC16 adapters. To get started, we'll see the box of the microphone itself. It was a little bit tough to get in there, so I kinda messed up the box. Sorry to Rode for that, but I'm just super excited to finally get a look at this product, because I used the first version for a short period of time, but it wasn't the right solution for me, and now on the second version there are a lot of improvements that I'm really excited for. So to get started, we'll see right here that we not only get the microphones but also some accessories as well, which is always really nice. First off, we'll take a look here at this little carrying case, or rather pouch I should say, that's included inside of the box so that you can take the microphones on your job with you, which is definitely great to see. Now it's soft shell, kind of like an neoprene material, so it doesn't offer too much protection, but it's good to have everything just in this one pouch. Especially also with these small accessories like the cables and the windscreens, and they're easy to misplace, so it's good to have this pouch inside of the box. Next up, moving on to the cables, we'll find a USB-C to USB-A cable, and we'll actually find 3 of these included inside of the box. And this of course because both transmitters and the receiver are all charged through USB-C, but there's also another purpose for this cable, because you can actually connect the receiver with the USB-C to USB-A cable to your Mac or PC to then use the microphones on your computer, which is of course great when you're working from home. Last but not least, we also have another cable, and this is a microphone cable, a really short one included in the box, and this of course if you mount the receiver to the hot shoe mount on your camera, so that you can then connect it to the microphone input on your camera. Next up, we get closer look here at this quick start guide, and this is super simple with like barely any words on there, so this really shows how simple this product is supposed to be, and it's supposed to be like super easy to use. But now we're getting to the exciting stuff, which is of course the microphones itself and also the receiver. Starting off, we'll take first a look at the receiver right there, and just awesome to see how small this still is despite all the new features that it packs. And we still have this display here on the front. On the top we'll have the power on and off switch, on the bottom the decibel gain as well as the pairing button, then on the left side USB-C port as well as also the microphone output. And then on the other side we'll just have the Wireless Go 2 branding, and of course on the back we still have this belt clip that can also be used to mount this receiver to the hot shoe mount of your camera. And now it's time to peel off the plastic, and this is always a satisfying sound. Also make sure to check out the Instagram channel as well if you want to see more tech pictures. Next up, we'll take a look at the windscreens, and it's just super nice that there are 3 included inside of the box as well. And they actually have these little like white dots on the bottom, which I'll show you later again, because it's like super easy and convenient to mount on the microphones. Next up, we'll then move to the first microphone module. There's again the peeling sound, and we'll find 2 indicator LEDs on the top left corner for battery as well as the link, and then we'll have the microphone itself as well as another microphone input if you want to use, for example, a lavalier mic. Then on the left side we'll just find the Wireless Go 2 branding, on the right side we'll have the USB-C charging port, and on the bottom we'll have the on and off switch. And this is basically it. Then we'll now move to the second transmitter or second microphone, and this is of course the main selling point of the Rode Wireless Go 2, because now you can record 2 voices at the same time, which is of course perfect, for example, for interview situations or also other applications where you want to, for example, record a voice and also an instrument. So here we have the second receiver, another peel, there we go, and yeah, I'm just really excited to have this super simple microphone solution, and I'm really looking forward to using this here on the channel as well. Now, of course, this will look absolutely identical to the first transmitter. Again, we'll have the USB-C port for charging, and then we'll have here the windscreen, and there are these white little dots that you just have to line up, and then you can just like push it in, twist it around, and then you have a really tight and secure fit, which is definitely welcome and also a nice improvement from the first version. And so this is basically it, and everything that we get in terms of transmitters, receivers and windscreens, which is of course the most important aspect, and they all make a really good first impression, and I can't wait to start using them. Now moving on, we also have some accessories. This is the SC16 USB-C to USB-C cable, and this cable is used to hook up the receiver of the microphones to your Android smartphone. Again, the box wasn't really cooperative, so it's kind of messed up, but here we just see the cable. We'll have two USB-C plugs. On the one side we have this 90-degree angled one, and then on the other side we'll just have the regular USB-C plug. So this is a really short and convenient cable to hook up the microphone to your Android smartphone, which is of course super nice because smartphones get better and better cameras. And now we'll move on to the SC15, which is the same cable but this time for iOS devices with a lightning port. So this will then have on one side again the USB-C plug and on the other side the lightning plug, so that you can use it on an iPhone or an iPad, which is also super convenient and definitely recommended. So let me please know what you want to know about this microphone for my full review. Thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you next time.